Hello friends, today we'll start our journey from Red Line Metro followed by tram to reach our destination. And here we are at another beautiful place. Hey guys, we are at Dubai Marina. We are here just for the walk, so let's go with me. So we'll have walk around this place and we'll show you how it is. At the entrance you can see the beautiful view of this greenery and palm trees. This is Dubai Marina Walk. There are multiple entrances for this place. You can select your nearest and convenient entry. Dubai Marina. The name itself tells everything. Marina means harbor or port. Hey guys, this is most popular area here in Dubai. People usually come here for morning or evening walk. There are many hotels and restaurants over here, so you can enjoy your evening with your friends or family. This is nothing but the artificial canal city. This canal is directly connected to seashore. I would suggest to come here in the evening or early morning. Try to avoid coming here in a daytime because it's gonna be way hotter. At this harbor you will get to see many boats, yachts and cruise. If you wish to have a ride, then you can book your ride from nearest ticket counter available here. You can also rent a bicycle if you don't feel like to walk. So many white yachts and boats are parked. Seems like flock of beautiful swans are enjoying in water. And this is 360-degree view of this place so that you will get complete idea about it. This entrance is of Marina Escape Mall. If you want to visit a mall, then there are 2-3 such entrances to go inside of this mall. Also, there are many water-facing restaurants where you can have your food and enjoy the beauty of this place. If you don't want to visit restaurants, then you have option to grab foodstuffs from the small food stalls. If you want to go for family dinner or on a date, then you can make this plan on cruise or on yachts as well. There are many provisions here where you can simply sit and rest. It's a really peaceful place. Just come here, have a walk, chill out and get rid of your stress. Walking around this area will certainly give you another freshness. It's a very long walking area besides this canal. These boats in a calm water, the tall buildings standing across the canal, this all looks great together. So guys, we really had a beautiful evening here. Hope you also enjoyed with us. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.